Looking for secondary and basement suite plumbing and ADU construction services in Fort Saskatchewan? At Kingstree Plumbing, we specialise in expert plumbing and construction solutions designed to maximise your space and add value to your property. Whether you're converting your basement into a legal rental suite or building an ADU for extra living space, our team ensures a seamless, code-compliant installation. From water lines to drainage and fixture setups, we handle every detail with precision. In Fort Saskatchewan, it's crucial to meet local plumbing codes and ensure proper water flow. Our licensed experts provide efficient, durable and affordable solutions, giving you peace of mind that your project is in good hands. For reliable secondary and basement suite plumbing and ADU construction services in Fort Saskatchewan, trust Kingstree Plumbing. Contact us today or book online to get started.